Fresh tension erupted in Kangpokpi district after suspected militants torched 3 residential houses in Kangpokpi village this morning. The attack reportedly took place between around 11 a.m. and noon today at the village, which is located in the fringe area between Kangpokpi and Senapati districts. According to local residents, the armed militants entered the village and opened fire before setting fire to the houses. Valuable belongings, household articles and important documents stored inside of the houses were reportedly destroyed in the blaze. The gutted properties included the residence of Village Chief Nengnei Chongloi and houses belonging to Kamko Chongloi and Helthang Haukip. Meanwhile, security personnel rushed to the area following the attack and monitored the situation. The attack also came at a politically sensitive juncture, coinciding with a meeting convened by the government of Manipur, led by Home Minister Govindas Konthaujam, with Naga frontal organizations headed by the United Naga Council (UNC) over the prolonged economic blockade along the national highways.